Welcome to World Immigration News by Irfan. Very shocking statement by Poland officials that we are going to shoot boats of illegal migrants. They have camps near border and arrival of illegal migrants once again in the Poland, and their statement shocked everyone in European Union. Of course, European Union put in pressure almost on all countries of Europe to help each other to stop illegal migrants. Currently, European Union pressurized Spain to give papers to 500,000 individuals and to give them chance to live in Spain but stop further allowing of illegal migrants. Illegal migrants in Portugal already being banned for migration. Now, Polish government is very serious, and Polish Poland thinking that some countries are not helping in stopping illegal migrants, and these illegal migrants are being used as a weapon against their country. And they are also involving Russian wars, and they are also telling due to Russian wars the people are moving, and some European countries are not cooperating in banning illegal migrants. This statement of Poland government is very important, that some countries are motivating illegal migrants to move to Poland, and then they will use the Poland to move to other countries. That's really security threats, and Poland is not able to give the resources to the migrants. Poland also part of Schengen state and told European Union we are not able to entertain work visa, tourist visa to illegal migrants because our own people are suffering. These migrant problems are becoming, I think, universal throughout the world these days, especially in European Union. Now European Union wrote a letter to Portugal that you have to stop illegal migration. Technically, countries' laws allows illegals to move into those countries. When countries' law will be off, countries will not give them papers, will not give them documents, will not entertain, and will make their visa process quite easier one. The people will try to move to those countries by visa, and they will try to give application, and they will try to get visa by documentation. Appointment of European countries are so difficult. It's quite amazing. If any person in the world, especially from Asia, want to move to Europe, Schengen zone, he has to pay huge money to the agents to getting appointments. I think this system must be corrected. I think European Union must sit together, and they must facilitate, and they make visa process at least easy. Refusal, acceptance, that is the right of the country, but at least visa must be assessed like United Kingdom. Why United Kingdom illegal movements are quite lesser than other parts of the world, although UK is also talking about illegals movement currently, and ex-government was very serious in and passing different bills like Rwanda bill, but still UK illegal movement were less because their embassies are very active in Asia, and they are assessing applications, they are taking application, they are refusing some visas, and they are accepting them visas. One thing is clear: when applicant will be refused, at least he will get patience. At least I tried my best, and I tried my best with documents. My visa was not approved, and some applicant satisfy, no problem, I will stay in my home country. I tried to go to UK, but UK did not give me visa due to my documentation, and now I will not apply again. Or he will apply once again through the documentation, but he will not use any illegal path. In all embassies of Europe, in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, first they don't give appointment. Once they will give appointment, their processing will be much delayed. I know Indian, my follower, they were writing me, they were sending me email, sir, since 1 year our applications are in process. They want to refuse, they can refuse. At least they must send their over documents back, so that we use those documents for other countries, or we can do our jobs. They took our original documents. We are waiting. I think the Poland is telling exactly right that European Union must take substantial action against illegal migrants. No doubt about this. And Poland is also telling right, some countries of Europe are motivating illegal migrants to move in, and they are not motivating legal migrants. Legal visa holders, legal work permits, the legal tourist visa must be entertained, must be given courage, and illegal migrant must be demotivated and must be convinced. It never means you say the sentence that we will burn the boat, we will shoot the boat. It's quite shocking. They are innocent individuals, they are innocent migrant, and they are, I think, they are victims. Some people say now currently United Kingdom statement, official statement, some days back in the political crisis when they were having elections, they were telling that migrants are not victim, they are criminal. I don't think so. We should be very polite with them. They are compelled to move from one country to another country. Reason is only one, because their countries are not giving them reward and they just want to try their luck. And some are very professional, some can work, some are educated. Problem is one, when countries will not give them appointments, when countries will not assess their applications. If you will interview in the camp in the Poland, CNN person interviewed, when you will interview, you will get idea that most of them are educated, and they are not blind people. They are very educated and they are very useful for societies of Europe, for societies of developed countries. Better like Canada, like Australia, like UK, like USA. Why not European Union also converging all Europe in one platform that move the visas application quite easily. I think appointment is not the better solution. Why appointment? When one person is paying money and he is ready to lose his money when his visa is refused, it's quite an earning process by the ambassadors. And data is telling that UK earned a lot of money from three biggest countries of the world, developing countries of the world, and they earned pounds because visas were refused, and there is a rule that visa fee will not be refunded. So this is the way you just assess the application, and if you think that applications are not up to the mark, no problem, you just refuse the application. But you should not give appointment. Appointment is frustrating applicants from the world. And European Union must bound all European countries, because European Union writing letters to stop illegal migrants. I think illegal migrants will stop only when you will allow them legally to apply them for the visa. If their applications will not be entertained within 6 months, you just go and give interview. If you are not going to give visa, no problem, refuse within 1 month. But don't give appointment 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. People waiting, and you will not even give appointment, and they are paying money to the agents. Agents charging a lot of money. Therefore, they thought better to move by this way, which is wrong way. I don't favor. But to say that boat must be shooted, migrants are in the boat must be shooted. We will shoot the migrants boat. It's quite shocking. Thank you very much.